How to transfer money with Customer Bank Online. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can easily transfer money using Customer Bank Online Banking. It's pretty fast, simple, and secure. You can start by visiting customersbank.com and log in with your username and password. Now on the left hand side of your screen, you'll find the Payments and Transfers tab. Just tap on it and go to the Payment tab. Here you can see a list of transactions and various status will be displayed. And user setup will dual approval entitlements to approve ACH account transfers and or any wire transfers may approve the transactions from the screen. So there are quite a few options. If you are moving money between your own accounts, you can just pick the accounts to transfer from, the accounts you want to transfer to. Once that is done, you can just select a date and submit it. Once you select and submit it, what you can do is just go ahead and hit the send button or submit button. And if you're sending money to another person, you may need to set them as a new pay by entering their account details or using any other services like Zelle. After that, you can enter the amount and review everything carefully, confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation once you have scheduled any payment or something that has been sent. And once you have gotten the confirmation, you could get your funds transferred within a few minutes. And that's it. Transferring money with online customer banks is quick and easy. Now, if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.